How to fix not able to send messages on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type TikTok. Now click on search. Now tap on TikTok and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Go to app management. Now scroll down and find TikTok. Now tap on it, click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete and restart TikTok. If it still doesn't fix the issue, open up TikTok, right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down. Now tap on report a problem. Now tap on interaction. Now tap on direct message. Now select unable to send direct messages. Now scroll down. Now tap on no. Now click on need more help. Now type submit a ticket. Now click on send. Now tap on submit a ticket. Now describe the issue and click on submit. You might have to wait for 24 hours until your issue gets fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.